Hey guys, today I'm gonna visit the Meridian Farmers Market. So I've gone to the Boise Farmers Market many times and I love it. I love farmers markets. There's just something about supporting local farmers and getting fresh flowers and produce that's in season. And the Boise Farmers Market is amazing, but it's also really crowded. And so, and it's further from my house, so it's harder on parking. So I thought I'd go to the Meridian Farmers Market this time and just check it out. So it looks like, I can show you what it looks like here. It's a little bit smaller, well, quite a bit smaller than the Boise Farmers Market. But I know one of my friends, Matt Williams, who owns Water Wheel Garden, we grew up together in Emmett. They have a booth here, so that's how I heard about it, and I'm excited to check it out. I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, so these guys have a slime shop, and they were saying, and I said, oh, my son would love this. And do you guys want to tell us about your kits here?
Yeah, so we have like all the different things. So we have glue, and then there's beads, and then you can choose. There's a bag of sequins and glitter on all of them, and so then you can choose like your different colors that you want to make.
This is so awesome. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna die. Okay, great idea, you guys.
Thank you.
So how did you guys get the idea to start your shop?
I just really liked making slime, and she saw like a thing on Facebook or whatever, and so then we got it, and I just loved it.
That's so awesome. So how'd you guys get started?
I started roasting about 4 years ago.
Cool.
So I roasted at my garage. Third day we converted it into a roasting facility.
Alright, here's Devil Springs Ranch. He's helping me pick out what are the best ribeyes to get. Alright, well, you can see here, I loaded up. I'm a sucker for farmers markets. I just really enjoy supporting the local vendors. So anyways, I'm gonna set this down. My review is that this is an awesome market. I actually probably prefer it to the Boise one because all the vendors I would have tried to find at the Boise market, I was able to get here, and it wasn't as crowded. You get to chat with the vendors. It wasn't insane. It'd be great to bring the kids or even your dog, and I will for sure be back.